How to create a simple income and expenditure worksheet. To create a simple income and expenditure worksheet, follow the steps below and you'll be able to create a simple income and expenditure worksheet to manage your finances effectively. To make the computation look seamless and easy as a pie, you need to insert all the functions and formulas first before you enter your income and expenditure for Excel to compute the results. You can prepare a range of cells meant for the expenditure to help sum up your expenditure. To use the sum function, type the equal sign followed by the sum and double-click the function when it appears. Select the range of cells for the expenditure, close the brackets and press the enter key to activate it. To sum up your income, enter the equal sign, type the sum, and when the sum function appears, double-click to add it to the cell. Select the range of cells for the income, close the brackets and press the enter key to activate it. Subtract your expenditure from your income at the end of the day to get your balance. To do this, enter the equal sign, select your income followed by a minus sign. Then select the expenditure and press the enter key to activate it. Now you can start entering your income for the day, and Excel will automatically compute the results as you type based on the formula you entered early on. You can now enter the expenditure for the day, and Excel will automatically compute the results as you type based on the formula you entered early on. As you can see, Excel subtracts your expenditure for the day from your income for the day effortlessly based on the formula you entered earlier. That's it, TechTricksGh. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.